Hey guys, long time no see. It's Claptrap Labs here. These are my current vehicles. I haven't really introduced these vehicles yet. I still have the red M3, but I sold the E90. This is the replacement right here. I want to upgrade the driving experience of an E36, and two things that you can do that really upgrade the driving experience is installing a different steering wheel and a new shift knob. So current steering wheel is a really gross, like, bus wheel. It's not in very good shape. The shift knob's actually a really nice ZHP knob, but I kind of wanted to try something else in this vehicle. So I'm going to show you how to do these things. It's really easy. It doesn't take very long. And here's the current vehicle that I'm working on, 95 M3. I'll be doing a lot more videos on this car, but just wanted to introduce it, kind of. And then here's my daily driver, Lexus LX 470. I'll have to do some videos on this too, but it's good to be back. And here, I'll show you how to do it. First step is to remove the 13 mil and loosen the bolt until it's loose. So while you're in the car, you're going to want to turn the steering wheel. And what you're going to want to do is, behind here, there's going to be torque bolts in the back. It's not really removing, you're just loosening the airbag. Once you got both bolts out, they'll be left here with an airbag harness, and you just need to unplug it. Make sure the car's been sitting for about 15 minutes before you unplug it. The next step is to use a breaker bar and loosen the steering wheel. Undo this harness right here, and then you just redo what you did with the new steering wheel. So just bolted that in, and yeah, it's really easy. The only thing about it is, once you do this, you'll have an airbag light. I think there's ways to fix it with resistors, but we'll see if it blows up on me. Seems good. Then I installed the shift knob too. That's super easy. You just pull the old knob off, put the new one on.